Okay, folks, you have been asking for a tour of the house, so here it is. This is, let me just show you a quick shot of my neighborhood. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so here is the house. Got a burgundy door, and we're gonna walk right in. Okay, so this is what you see when you first come in. My office is on the right. This is the hallway. We got wood floors, and the woman cave is on the left. Over here in the woman cave, you guys have already seen this, but in this little plastic tub, I keep the wigs that I ship out. In this chest here, I keep the wigs that I review. And then in that big case there is where all of my makeup and everything is located. So that's, yeah, this is pretty much it. Different things that I've got up on the wall. Yeah, you guys have pretty much seen this already, and I'm going to show you the inside of this case because I think this is really cool. I've got some Monet Dior Couture necklaces hanging on the outside. I really like this container because it holds all of my makeup, and it also holds the acrylic containers that I had before. So it's kind of nice and neat in there. Then I have a drawer here that has my brushes and combs and caps. And then in this cupboard down here, I keep all of my hair products and additional palettes and things like that. So, okay, so there's that. So again, here is the office. Just your basic office. And got a nice comfortable chair, bookshelves, all kinds of stuff that we still haven't put up yet. My desk and monitors, and that's that. Okay, so now, I know this is fast, but whatever. So now this is the rest of the house. On this side, this is the kitchen and the family room, and this is the hallway that leads to the bedrooms. And here, that's the garage door with a little key holder we've got here. And then on this side, we can put our shoes and coats. And I have a little sign that I put up here that I really like. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the kitchen area. We have one of these mechanisms that allows us to control the door and the heat and all of that kind of stuff. I like the pendants in my kitchen. I really do like those. My counter I really like. We got a nice big refrigerator this time. I have electric stove, electric everything, microwave, and yeah, dishwasher and all of that. Okay, so this is my pantry, which I really like because in the pantry I can keep all of my food stuffs and my pots and pans and just extra stuff. So it's nice and big and I like that. Okay, so yeah, let's go on down this way. My husband put a television up in here, plus the pool table, the bar. There's my exercise machine that you guys probably saw in my last video. And now I will take you outside. Well, I'm not gonna go outside, but here's our backyard. And we don't have a whole lot back here, but which is cool because my husband wants to actually put something back there, like maybe a hot tub. We're gonna walk through the man cave, but I'm not gonna really show you what's in here because this is my husband's space. We're gonna go into the bathroom, and this is the bathroom. I have these two cases here because I like to hide stuff so that people don't see everything on my counter, although I do have things on the counter. And yeah, there's a closet back there, and then this is the big gigantic shower. I really love this shower because you see I got a wig hanging in here drying, but I literally love this shower because you can sit down. It has a shower head at the top as well as the side. And then when you're done showering, you can come over to this section and dry yourself. So I really like that. I think that's cool. So that's pretty much it. That's the quick and dirty tour of the house. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will be talking to you all shortly.